Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, ay pag-uusapan naman po natin on how to get the least common multiples of numbers. At ito po ay magagamit natin sa anumang government examinations, especially sa career service exam, pen and paper test. By the way, kung hindi nyo pa po na-install yung ating mobile applications, search nyo lang po sa Google Play Store, Nomo App CSA Reviewer. So without any further ado, simulan na po natin. So we have here the first 5 positive multiples of 7. We have 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. So ibig sabihin lamang po nito, 7 times 1 that is 7. 7 times 2 that is 14. 7 times 3 that is 21. 7 times 4 that is 28. And lastly, 7 times 5 that is 35. So ganito lang po ang pagkuha ng mga multiples of 7. Next, the first 10 positive multiples of 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and lastly, 50. So ibig sabihin po nito, 5 times 1 that is 5. 5 times 2 that is 10. 5 times 3 that is 15. 5 times 4 that is 20, and so on. So ganyan lang din po ang pagkuha ng first 10 positive multiples of 5. Okay, so we can always find a common multiple given 2 or more numbers. Let's say for example, if we list all positive multiples of 2 and 3. So unahin po natin si 2. So ito po yung mga positive multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Next, multiples of 3. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and lastly, 30. At ngayon, titingnan naman po natin kung ano yung common multiples nila. So ang common multiples nila is 6, kasi pareho silang may 6. Next, 12. Pareho din silang may 12. And lastly, meron din silang common kay 18. Pero, si 6, ito yung tinatawag natin na least common multiple. Kasi po, siya yung pinakamaliit na number na common nilang dalawa. No? Common multiples of 2 and 3. So, si 6 pala is yung LCM or least common multiple. And now, let's try to look at another example for us to learn further. Find the least common multiple of 3 and 5. So, ang una po natin gagawin is i-list down muna natin yung mga multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. So, first, multiples of 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. Next, multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Ngayon, after listing down all the multiples, ang gagawin naman po natin is tingnan natin yung mga common nila, kung anong common nilang dalawa. So, we have 15 and 30. Pero si 15, ito yung tinatawag natin na least common multiple. Or siya yung pinakamaliit na common multiple ni 3 and 5. Let's try to have another example. Find the least common multiple of 3, 4, and 6. Again, ano po ang unang gagawin? I-list down muna natin yung mga individual multiples ni 3, 4, and 6. So first, multiples of 3. Next, multiples of 4, and lastly, multiples of 6. Ngayon, after listing down all the multiples of 3, 4, and 6, tingnan naman po natin ano yung common nilang tatlo or yung common multiples. So, ang common multiples nila are 12, 24. So, si 12 and 24, ito yung common nilang tatlo. Pero, si 12, ito yung tinatawag natin na least common multiple. Siya yung pinakamaliit na common multiple ni 3, 4, and 6. I hope this makes sense. And now let's try our last example. Find the least common multiple of 3, 8, and 12. Again, i-list down po muna natin ang individual multiples nila. First, multiples of 3. Next, multiples of 8. And lastly, multiples of 12. At ngayon, tingnan naman po natin kung ano ang common multiples nilang tatlo. And as what we can observe, 24, ito yung common multiple nilang tatlo. At ito yung nakikita natin na least common multiple ni 3, 8, and 12. So, ganyan lang po kadali ang pagkuha ng LCM or least common multiple. And that's all for this video, and I hope you've learned something new today on how to get the least common multiple of numbers. At kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.